What's good, family? Listen, let me ask you something real quick, right? What if the thing you've been thinking about starting is actually the thing that could potentially change your life, but you keep putting it off because you're not sure if it's gonna work or not? And I feel like for a lot of y'all, that thing is YouTube. You feel me? You've been thinking about starting. You've been watching other people do it. You even got ideas right now, but something keeps stopping you. So today, I want to answer this question, and I'm gonna keep it all the way real. It's time. Welcome to the vibe. So somebody had asked me, is starting YouTube actually a good idea? And I'm not gonna give you no motivational speech. I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you, especially being that I'm in a process right now, because I'm not on the outside looking in. I'm actually going through it right now. You know, low views, figuring it out, trying to grow while just showing up every single day. So this ain't coming from somebody who quote unquote made it. This is coming from somebody who's actually going through it. And I'm gonna keep it real with you, right? I feel like most people start YouTube for the wrong reasons. You know what I mean? They see the views, the money, sometimes even a lifestyle, and they think, you know, that's about to be them. But the things that they don't see is the years of nobody watching, the videos that be flopping, the doubt, you know what I mean, second guessing yourself, talking to the camera and getting no response. And if your reason for starting YouTube is only the outcome, you're not gonna last long enough to even reach it, because this platform will test you OD, bro. It will test you mentally, emotionally, and sometimes even spiritually. But here's the part I feel like people don't see either, you feel me? Yes, it will test you, but YouTube will also build you. And I truly feel like YouTube will build you before it ever pays you. You know what I mean? You start learning how to speak clearly, tell your story, connect with people, understand attention. You learn how to present and market yourself and share ideas and even stay consistent. It's a lot of things you can learn just by being on YouTube. And these ain't just YouTube skills. These are also life skills that can open doors whether YouTube works or not. So even when you feel like, you know, you're not growing, you actually are growing, just not in a way you expected. And another thing is, when you post a video, you're not just posting content, you creating something that could live without you. You know what I mean? While you sleep, somebody can find your video. While you at work, somebody can connect with your message. While you chilling in the crib, your content is basically just still moving. Most people only make impact when they show up in person. But with YouTube, you building something that keeps working even when you're not. You know what I mean? And to me, that's leverage. That's really leverage. Now, let's talk about something that don't get enough credit, you know what I mean? And that's the people. If us as creators don't get this right, you know what I mean, we bugging, you know what I'm saying? Because this is more than just gaining subscribers, you feel me? You build real connection, real support from people that really rock with you, talk with you, and willing to grow with you. And I've experienced that myself, you feel me? I done had real conversations, real people rock with me. I done feel like I made a real impact here on this platform. And that right there, that's more valuable to me than views can ever be, because I understand that views can go up and down, but the real people stay. Now, this might be the most important part, because YouTube will really show you who you are as well, especially when you gotta consistently show up, talk, create, and be seen. You start learning yourself, things you believe in, how you think, you know, what you stand on, you know, even doing this so consistently, you start finding your voice. And once you find your voice, it's lit, bro. But let me keep it all the way a stack. You know what I mean? This is not easy. You will post videos that nobody will watch. You will question yourself. You will start feeling like stopping like all the time. You're gonna have days where you ask yourself, is this even worth it? And honestly speaking, me being in it now, I understand, like, yo, you gotta go through it. It's normal. You feel me? That's part of it. The difference is, I feel like most people stop right when emotion is about to hit. I just feel like, they don't give themselves enough time to grow. You know what I mean? So let's come back to the question. Is starting YouTube a good idea? Absolutely. You feel me? But only if you understand what you're signing up for. This is not a quick win. This is a long-term investment, and you're investing in yourself. So if you've been thinking about starting, just start. And don't start because you think it's easy, but start because you believe it's worth it. You know what I mean? And listen, you don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to have the best camera. You don't need to have the perfect plan. All you need to do is just pull up to the function, y'all. Just pull up to the function and figure it out as you go. You know what I mean? That's exactly what it is I'm doing. And the fun part for me is when I'm in this, I understand and I feel like I'm not doing it alone, because I know we all figuring this out together in real time. So if you've been waiting, stop waiting. You know what I mean? Start even if things feel chaotic or messy, and even if you're unsure, you feel me? Just start, because honestly speaking, I always, measure my success by time. So I'm gonna just say this, like a year from now, you're gonna wish you did. And I want you to come back to this video and say, I'm glad I didn't let fear stop me. You know what I mean? But that's me rambling, man. If you rock with this video, just drop a comment and let me know what's been holding you back. Hell, I might turn your situation into my next motivational video, because y'all know y'all be giving me mad good ideas in the comment section. And if you on this journey with me, just know you not alone. We building this together, and just stay focused, stay consistent, and you'll be all right, yo. But if you haven't done so already, just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I see y'all on the next video. Yeah.